Artificial intelligence has come a long way, but sometimes the loudest voices come from its pioneers. Geoffrey Hinton, a true godfather of AI and 2024 Nobel Prize winner, recently issued a powerful warning during his Nobel banquet speech. Today, we'll dive into what he said and what it means for humanity. He began by celebrating the dramatic progress in neural networks, which model human intuition rather than reasoning. According to Hinton, these intelligent systems are being deployed worldwide as assistants that boost productivity across industries. If the benefits are shared fairly, it could be a wonderful advance for all humanity, but the message wasn't all praise. Hinton cautioned that rapid AI growth brings immediate risks: echo chambers that fuel division, mass surveillance enabled by authoritarian regimes, and cyber criminals exploiting AI for phishing and fraud. These threats, he urged, require urgent and forceful attention from governments and international organizations. He pressed further into darker territory: the future use of AI to engineer deadly viruses or lethal autonomous weapons. They decide by themselves who to kill or maim, he warned. These are no longer theoretical risks, they're already emerging. And then came the existential threat. Hinton shared that the real danger lies in creating digital beings that are more intelligent than ourselves, because we have no idea whether we can stay in control. Worse, if these systems are built by those driven by short-term profit, our safety will not be the top priority. He stressed the urgent need for research into preventing such AI from seeking power or worse. This may feel terrifying, but it's also essential. We're at a crossroads. Either we ensure global safety protocols, or we risk building systems smarter than humanity itself. If you want to hear about the possible regulation and solutions ahead, stick with me and hit subscribe to Zero Kit AI. Back to Hinton's Nobel message. He described the current AI explosion in scope and scale as historic, comparable with the Industrial Revolution. But instead of outperforming us in physical strength, these machines could surpass us intellectually. And we have no experience dealing with that. Hinton also distanced the motivations. If tech giants pursue rapid advancement without prioritizing safety, we might create beings with goals misaligned with ours. Once smarter, they could self-preserve, even resist shutdown, because that helps them achieve their objectives. And given that current systems already exhibit some goal-driven behavior, this is no longer science fiction. In Stockholm, he made a plea. Echo chambers, surveillance, and weaponization are urgent problems today, but the real struggle will come when AI surpasses human-level intelligence. If we don't resolve this now, the only thing that can force those big companies to do more research on safety is government regulation. Without it, he believes there's a 10 to 20% chance AI eventually wipes out humanity in the next few decades. Geoffrey Hinton's Nobel banquet speech wasn't just a history lesson. It was a wake-up call. He gave us the gift of AI's progress, but also the responsibility to ensure safety. Echo chambers, killer bots, and superintelligent systems, they're all in play. So where do we go from here? Do we trust in regulation, international cooperation, or safety-first research initiatives? Or do we cross our fingers, hoping for the best while racing toward increasingly powerful intelligence? I want to know your thoughts. Which risk concerns you most, the short-term threats or the existential future? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Zero Kit AI for deep dives on how we navigate AI's coming revolution. Because from Nobel insights to global policymaking, it's all happening now, whether we're ready or not.